Look what I got today. A special package. Queen bees from Northern California. Jose knew I liked New World Carniolan's, and he shipped some to me. Let's get these opened up and put in some boxes. I got some queenless boxes waiting for them. Okay, let's get these girls opened up. Take a quick look at them and get them installed. I've got some queenless boxes over here. They've been queenless for about 10 days. They're full of mostly just nurse bees and emerging bees, no old bees at all. Now, there we go. Let's see what we got here. You can take a look. You can tell these are young bees, real fuzzy. Another view. We had some storms roll through here a little while ago. It's still drizzling a little bit on and off. I wanted to go ahead and get these girls put in tonight. These poor girls have come all the way from Northern California in less than 24 hours. Looks good. It's getting late in the day, so it's starting to get a little dark out here. She looks good. Yep, she's in there running around really nice. She looks good. Okay, they all survived the trip. Yeah, all 5 of them look real good. Okay. Yeah, all the girls are in there looking really nice. As you can tell, these girls are sure wanting to take care of them. So let's get these girls put away. Okay, these girls have been queenless for about 10 days, mostly emerging bees. I removed these frames away from the mother hive so all the field force, the old bees, would move away. So these are young bees. Most of these have never seen a queen. Most of these have just emerged, so they should take to this girl pretty quick. So all we're going to do is come in here between a couple of these frames and just ease her down in there. Slide her down in there. I can get the bees out of the way here, get a little more room here. That's all we need to do. Leave them alone for a few days. They should have her out of there within 2 days. Okay, quick recap. I got these queens in on Thursday. They had been next day aired from Northern California. Storms had been rolling through all afternoon and evening, so I kind of jumped up here between a couple of the breaks, popped them open, filmed what you already saw. Basically, I already had some queenless hives set up. These had been set up about 10 days ago, and they were mostly sealed brood frames, some nurse bees, and some frames of honey. I had pulled them out of the bigger production hives, moved them off to another location. The field bees that were in there would have flown right back to the original hive, so I had no old bees in those splits. That's perfect for introducing a queen. So you come back a week later, you make sure that there's no emergency cells. If there's any emergency queen cells, you go ahead and cut all those out and remove them. I had already done that about 3 days before receiving these queens. So by basically placing the queen down between some emerging brood frames, they've been queenless for quite a while. They'll have the queen removed, released from that little cage within a couple days. She'll start laying probably a day later. We're going to give these girls probably another week before I get in there messing around with them. I don't want to disturb them while they're accepting a new queen. So just put them in, leave them alone. I've never had a problem with queen acceptance doing it this method. So I will follow up here in a couple weeks once I know that everybody's doing really good. Appreciate everybody watching this. I really appreciate Jose sending me a couple extra queens, more than he originally had planned on doing. So we're going to put these to good use here in Southern Ohio. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.